Hello and welcome back to Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this very useful and very bright flashlight with using just a few simple components. And I'm going to show you how to make this in this video. Let's get started. And these are the items that you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need is this AC or DC LED light, which can be powered by 12 to 24 volts. And what you're going to need is these two 9-volt batteries, which adds up to 18 volts, enough voltage to power this LED light, and two 9-volt battery clips, a slide switch, and this cardboard tube. Now let's go ahead and assemble this circuit. And as you can see, this is an AC or DC 12 to 24 volts LED. Now allow me to demonstrate this LED light. It can be powered by just 9 volts. It can also be powered by two 9-volt batteries, which will make 18 volts, and will become even brighter. And the interesting thing about this is that polarity doesn't matter. It still lights up either way, which is also very useful. First, I'm going to solder 10 these pins, so soldering wires to these pins can be easier. There we go, solder it just like that. Next, I'm going to solder this positive and negative wire together from these battery clips. Get some shrink tubing to keep it insulated just like this. And there, now they're both connected. These two connections can now connect to the LED light. Just like that. Solder the positive to one of the pins. Put shrink tubing to keep it insulated. Solder the negative wire to the other pin. Shrink tube to keep it insulated. And there, it shall look just like this. Next, I'm going to take this positive wire and the other positive wire, and I'm going to connect these two to my slide switch. Just like that. And there, the circuit is now complete. Let's test it out. Ah, it works. Oh, that's very bright too. Nice. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use this cardboard to make the housing. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the 9-volt batteries, slip it inside the tube, push most of the wires inside, and I'm going to go and put my slide switch right here. Mark it so that way I know the size. Cut out a rectangle with my X-Acto knife so that way I can put the switch into place. There we go, just like that. Push the switch through. Next, I'll take some hot glue to glue the switch into place. Push it down, and there, it's now complete. Next, I'm going to push the wires inside. Get some hot glue, and put hot glue all the way around the edge to glue the LED into place. Perfect, just like that. Next, I'm going to take this nail and put the nail right through the bottom, which will then hold the 9-volt battery into place and prevent the 9-volt battery from slipping out. And there we go, the 9-volt batteries won't slip out. Perfect. And there, your project is now complete. Let's go ahead and test it out. And as you can see, it shines bright. Now let's see how it looks in the dark. Wow, it lights up really well. And there you have it. Now you know how to make a very bright flashlight with using just a few simple components. And there you have it. Thank you for watching Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.